Hi everyone, this is day 3 for math this week, and we're going to take a look at some pictures and videos of some squares today. And we're going to try to figure out how many squares there are. I'm going to give you some clues first so that you can figure out how many squares there are. I'm going to show you a picture of some red and yellow squares in a pile. And when I show you the picture, I want you to think about what you notice and how many squares you think there are. Here's the picture. Did you notice anything about that picture? How many squares do you think there are? How many red do you think? And how many yellow? We're going to find that out. I'm going to show you a video of someone starting to count the squares. When I show you the video, I want you to think of what the pattern could be. What do you think the pattern is? Let's watch it again. Alright, now that we've watched the video 2 times, I'm gonna try to draw it out, and then I'm going to stop, and I want you to continue drawing the squares and figure out how many there are. What pattern did you see in the video? How many red squares were on the bottom row? Right, there were 6. Can you get a piece of paper and draw the squares with me? There was there were 6 red squares in the bottom row. How many yellow squares were in the row after that? There were 5. I'll bring you closer since it's in yellow. So there were 6 red squares and 5 yellow squares. Do you think the next row is red or yellow? Yeah, it's going to go red, yellow, red, yellow. So if this row had 6 and this row had 5, how many do you think this row will have? I would like you to continue drawing the pattern on your piece of paper And then I would like you to figure out how many red squares and how many yellow squares there are. I'm going to let you work on that for about 5 minutes, and I'll be back. There are and how many red squares there are. All right, here we go. All right, so let's finish out the pattern. If you're not done, you can pause the video and give yourself some more time. So if this was 6 and this one was 5, the next red row is going to have 4, And then what will the yellow row have? 3. And then 2. And then 1. Okay, that's the whole pattern. How many red squares are there and how many yellow? The red has 6 plus 4 plus 2. What is 6 plus 4 plus 2? 6 plus 4 is 10, and 10 plus 2 is 12. The yellow is 5 plus 3 plus 1. What is 5 plus 3? 8. What is 8 plus 1? 9. So how many squares are there all together? 12 plus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. There are 21 squares. There are 12 red squares and 9 yellow squares. Let's watch the very last video and see if we're right.